Today, we're breaking down how to make money with AI and escape the constraints of the 9-to-5 grind. Whether you're a beginner or looking to scale your side hustle, AI offers limitless opportunities to earn. Let's dive into practical, step-by-step strategies to leverage AI for financial freedom. 1. Freelancing with AI tools. Freelancing has never been more accessible thanks to AI-powered platforms. From writing content with ChatGPT to designing visuals with tools like DALL-E and Canva AI, these technologies empower you to deliver professional quality work quickly. Imagine offering AI-enhanced graphic design services where you can generate mock-ups in minutes, impressing clients while saving time. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are goldmines for finding clients who value efficiency and creativity. Start by showcasing AI-assisted projects in your portfolio. For instance, you could design a unique logo using AI tools, emphasizing customization and speed. Clients love efficiency, and AI allows you to stand out in competitive markets. The best part? You don't need to be an expert coder or designer. Many AI tools are user-friendly, making freelancing with AI accessible to beginners. Over time, as you gain experience, you can expand your services and charge premium rates, all while maintaining flexibility. 2. AI-powered e-commerce. If you've ever dreamed of running your own online store, AI can make it happen. AI tools like Jasper for product descriptions and Shopify's AI integrations can automate much of the workload. Picture this. You identify trending products, set up an e-commerce store, and let AI handle inventory management, marketing copy, and even customer interactions. AI doesn't just save time. It maximizes your potential for success. For example, you could use predictive analytics tools to determine which products are likely to sell best. Combine that with AI-driven ad platforms like Google Ads AI to target the right audience efficiently. This strategy increases your chances of converting visitors into buyers. You can even scale further by integrating AI into dropshipping, eliminating the need for upfront inventory. With automation at your fingertips, you can focus on growth while AI handles repetitive tasks. It's a smart, scalable approach to building wealth online. 3. Content creation and monetization. AI is revolutionizing content creation. From scripting YouTube videos using ChatGPT to creating voiceovers with AI narrators, the possibilities are endless. Let's say you're starting a faceless YouTube channel. AI can help you generate ideas, write engaging scripts, and even edit your videos efficiently. Beyond YouTube, AI tools can assist with blog writing, podcast editing, and even creating viral social media content. Imagine running multiple income-generating platforms with minimal effort. These tools allow creators to work smarter, not harder, maximizing both creativity and profitability. Want to dive deeper into this strategy? Don't miss our video, How to Start a Faceless YouTube Video, Beginner's Guide. Find the link in the description to learn actionable tips for launching your channel. If you find this video helpful, like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications to ensure you don't miss out. 4. AI for investments and passive income. AI isn't just for active income, it's a game changer for building wealth through investments. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront use AI algorithms to optimize investment strategies, allowing you to grow your money passively. Imagine earning returns without spending hours analyzing market trends. Cryptocurrency trading is another area where AI shines. Tools like CryptoHopper use AI to predict market movements, enabling smarter and faster trading decisions. By automating your trades, you can capitalize on opportunities without constant monitoring. Additionally, AI-driven tools like YieldStreet provide access to alternative investments like real estate and venture capital. These platforms democratize wealth-building opportunities, allowing you to create multiple streams of passive income. 5. Upskilling with AI. As AI technology evolves, so do the opportunities to learn and grow. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer AI-focused courses in fields like data analysis, machine learning, and digital marketing. Upskilling in these areas not only enhances your earning potential, but also positions you as a valuable asset in any industry. Imagine leveraging AI to enhance your resume, such as by mastering tools like Tableau or Python. These skills are in high demand and can lead to lucrative freelance or consulting opportunities. By staying ahead of AI trends, you future-proof your career and open doors to even greater possibilities. The best part? Many of these learning resources are affordable or even free. Investing in your education now ensures that you'll continue to benefit as AI becomes even more integrated into everyday life. The power of AI can transform your financial future, providing opportunities to quit your 9-to-5 and create sustainable, scalable income streams. But this journey is just beginning. In our next video, How to Start a Faceless YouTube Video in 2025, Beginner's Guide, we'll show you how to build a successful channel without ever stepping in front of a camera. Subscribe now and turn on notifications to ensure you don't miss out. Your path to financial freedom is closer than you think. Let AI guide the way. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial or business advice. Always research thoroughly and consult professionals before making significant decisions.